Okay guys, I am here in the middle of the rain in a beautiful place. My idea was to spend a weekend enjoying life outside here, but it's basically impossible if you don't love standing in the rain, which I really don't. So the thing is this, that we could really go and cry about all this because it's one weekend a month maybe, and you know, it's raining away. But there's a saying, there's a thought process, a mantra that I use constantly, and people who know me know I use this all the time, is that in order to have a high quality life, you have to solve high quality problems. So the question is, how do we actually maximize this weekend, even if it's raining? We can do it. Let's go. Please like and share this, and send me an email, and we can talk more about this.